Alright guys, I'm here for the maiden. It's a bit breezy today, a bit of air. Right, left, up, down.
Flight mode launch.
So I'm gonna give it a light toss to begin with. A sidearm. Like this. Oh, it has a bit of air. I hope everything goes okay. 2, 3, 1. All right, nice one. Oh, it looks good. Okay. Hooah. Let's go for another one. Seems to fly good. All right. Nice one. All right, baby. Ooh, yeah, right on. It's a bit twitchy on the sticks. Ooh, I've got a thermal there. Turns good, as you can see. Ooh, floaty. I'm gonna bring it home for a stronger one. Or maybe not. Yeah, let's bring it home. Let's go for a stronger one. Wow, what a launch. Flies good, floats good. It's a bit on the tail heavy side, I think. Yeah, nice one. Let's throw it hard now. Wow. Got something there. All right, look at it. Very agile. Homing the thermal. Oh boy, this is it. I love it already. Try to be steady, see if I can ride it. What a performance! Oh guys, please build this one. Very good performance. Very low budget, only 40 US dollars, let's say 35 euros. All included electronics. Look at it float. Unbelievable. All right. Wow. What a launch. Yeah, this is a maiden into the thermal. my God. Yeah, into the thermal. Stalled it there, sorry. It looks like it's a bit tail heavy, but okay. Nothing you can't handle. Wow, look at it. Look at it homing it. Yeah, baby. Hooah! Crazy. Crazy DLG. Please guys, build one for yourself. Yeah, what a performance.
1 minute and 17 seconds.
Yeah, 1 minute and 70 seconds. Nice transmitter. I'm just gonna keep going now. I don't even wanna land anymore. Oh, so beautiful. Look at those turns. Very agile. Stalled it. More of a thermal there. Yep. Lost it. Let's try to find it back here. Yep. No. What a glider. I love it. Yep. Nice one. Let's see if we can right here. Small. What a glider. Oh my God. So easy to fly, only one hand. It has nothing to be jealous of the big ones, the 4 channels.
3 minutes and 3 seconds.
Wow. Yeah, this is it, guys. Caught it again. Oh, Jesus. This is so easy. So hands off. Look at it climb. Yeah, boy. What? Either I'm lucky or this is a very good thermal activity today. Or both. Or I'm good on thermaling. I don't think so, but okay. Lost it. Let's widen the circle to find something. No. Yeah, perhaps here. Where did that thermal go? Seemed very promising. Let's bring it home. Wow. Wow. Wow, guys. What a plane. It's the day today, perhaps. It's good thermals. Small ones, but good. Wow, nice one. Sink. Where's the sink? Somewhere next to it, it's lift. Yeah. Right next to it, as you can see. These are brutal thermals and sinks this morning. Wow. They come and they disappear right away. All right, nice one. What a day today. Thermal activity everywhere. Of course, you must have a good plane to ride it. What a... This is how I brake on final. So guys, I'm calling it a day. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.